Hey, up crafters, up mga kausok. Mabilis na video lang. Gusto ko lang i-invite kayo para sa ating paparating na Pitmasters Club PH Barbecue Festival and Barbecue Competition. This time, tatawagin natin Barbecue Championship 2025 doon sa Clark, Pampanga. This will be an event within an event. So, ang malaking event is the Happening on the Green, where Clark, Pampanga is trying to revive a 70s, 80s event. Pagsasama-samahin nila yung various community at mga attractions doon sa isang lugar, which is the Clark Parade Grounds, where we will set up our rigs at doon tayo magpapaapoy. We will do our barbecue demos, our Napolitana pizza, smoked ribs, and we will also do our Barbecue Championship 2025. So last year, we were blessed to be part of the 4x4 Expo na doon tayo napunta as our barbecue competition venue. But this time, mas maraming categories at doon natin gagawin sa may Clark, Pampanga. Maraming salamat din po for all the merchants na kumuha po ng booth. Originally, 12 booths yung ating in-offer but 14 booths ang nakuha. And marami pa pong humahabol. The reason why is free. Free of charge yung ating merchant booth para sa PCP. At mabilis po itong nakuha ng mga official members natin at nung ibang nag-email sa atin. Bakit po libre yung ating mga booth? If there's anything that we can do for the PCP crafters para mabawasan yung kanilang gastos, even sa mga previous events natin, we never asked for payment sa mga booth. No? Tulong na natin sa mga startup, sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, sa mga startup businesses who just want to showcase their product doon sa event. Kaya hanggat kaya nating i-shoulder yung booth, ginagawa natin. And of course, we get a good deal naman sa mga organizer. At ngayon, this time, na itong event natin sa Clark, unang pagkakataon nating lumapit para sa sponsorship. Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsor. Co-presenter natin si One World Deli, si Beef Deli Steakhouse. Ayan. And of course, yung ating mga iba pa nating sponsors like Alternatives Food Corporation, nandiyan din si Butcher Secret, Smokehouse ni Mang Kulas in Quezon. By the way, nag-offer na sila ng franchising nila ngayon. And then si Black Smokehouse in Mandaue, Cebu. Those are the sponsors natin para sa event natin ngayon. Kaya, the future looks bright for Pitmasters Club of the Philippines. And if we can do it again to give the booth for free sa mga PCP crafters natin, then we will be happier and more than willing to do that. Sana nakakatulong tayo sa ating mga crafters at ating community. Alright, that's November 8 and 9. That's in Clark, Pampanga. November 8 will be our Barbecue Championship 2025. And then November 9, that's Sunday, that's our demo and barbecue classes. Magkakaroon din tayo ng awarding during that day. Meron tayong doon sa area, magkakaroon ng mga vintage cars, mga car clubs, or moto clubs. Meron ding mga cavalry parade, meron ding brass band parade, live bands, and hot air balloons na naka-tethered para hindi siya parang at a certain height lang siya. So, meron ding canvas on the green, grand picnic day. So marami tayong attractions and activities during that weekend. So please don't miss that out. And that probably our last big event for the year. And 2026 na tayo ulit mag-organize ng isa pang barbecue meetup. Once again, that's November 8 and 9 in Clark Parade Grounds in Pampanga. That's happening on the green. Kita-kita po tayo sa ating Barbecue Festival and Barbecue Championship 2025. For more details, I'll put it down on the link and looking forward to see you all and meet you all at iba pang mga barbecue enthusiasts sa Pilipinas. Alright? Maraming salamat and smoke on!